Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you a question of permutations and combination along with the probability from the past paper summer 2024. Question number 7. The 8 digits 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 are arranged in a line. How many different arrangements are there of these 8 digits? Because we have 8 digits, we write 8 factorial, but because there are repeated digits like 2 has appeared twice, and there is this digit 4 which has appeared thrice. So we divide it by 2 factorial, multiply by 3 factorial, and we put this into the calculator, we get 3360 ways as the answer. This is just a one marker and it's easy. Next one, find the number of different arrangements of the 8 digits in which there is a 2 at the beginning, 2 at the end, and the 4 fours and the 3 fours are not all together. So to do that, let's first make the 8 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have given 2 should be at the beginning, 2 should be at the end. So let's just fix them. Because we have fixed them, we don't have to consider any possibilities of putting them. Next consideration is fours are not all together. What is the meaning of that? We are looking out for a number wherein the 3 fours are not all together. But we can have a possibility where 1, 3, 4, 4, 5 is fine. 1, 4, 3, 4, 5 is fine. Only this possibilities shouldn't be considered where fours are all together. So to solve this, we will have the way of finding total minus together. So we can just do the total number of ways and we find out the ways in which these three are together. We just subtract them and we get a required answer. Now, how many total ways are there? Do not make a mistake of considering the answer from the first part because here we have 2's in the consideration. Now, we don't have these 2's in the consideration. 2's are fixed at the beginning and the end. So, we only have the 6 remaining digits to be considered and we divided by 3 for taking this 4's repeated digits. Next, we have to see in how many ways they can be together. So for them to be together, we have 1, 3, 4, 4, 4, and 5. Let's just make this 3 as one group. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to be considered, which is 4 factorial. So we have 6 factorial over 3 factorial minus 4 factorial. Put this into your calculator and you get 96 ways as your answer, and this is for 4 marks. Next one is little tricky than this. This question is about finding the probability. Find the probability that when 3 digits are selected out of this 8, how many ways are there in which the 3 digits are all different? When the question is about probability, it is going to be of little more marks than the normal permutation combination, because here you have to find out the ways in for 3 marks, then finding the total ways for 1 mark, and then finding the probability for finally 1 mark. So that gives you total 5 marks. So let's just see how to do this one. Over here we have to take 3 digits out of this and they should be all different. So let's just consider 3 groups. One is wherein we can select 2's, then we can select 4's, and the other one is we can select something from 1, 3, 5. Now, if we select all 3 from this one, this can be one possibility. We can have 1, 2 and 2 of this ones. We also can have 1, 4 and 2 from this, or we can have another one wherein 1, 1 and 1 can be taken. In this way, we can have all 3 different digits from the 8 digits that we have in this question. So how many ways are there to do this? Because here we have selecting 3 from this 3 different, this can be done in 3C3 ways. Over here, from 2 2's we are selecting 1, which is done in 2C1, and here from 3 we are selecting 2. Here from 3 we are selecting 1, here from 3 we are selecting 2, here from 2 we select 1, here from 3 we select 1, and here from 3 we select 1. If we just multiply all these possibilities, we will be able to find out in how many ways this can be done. So we get this is one way. Then for the second one, we get 3 and 2. So we get, then here we get 9 different ways, and the last one we get 18 ways. So 18 plus 1 plus 6 plus 9, we get total 34 different ways of getting 3 different numbers from this. Now we have to find out probability, which is favorable over total. The favorable numbers we already got, this is 34. But for the total number, how many digits we have? We have 8 digits. And how many we are selecting? We are selecting 3. So 34 over 8C3. Put this into your calculator and you'll get your answer as 17 over 28. Or you can also write it as 0.607 correct to 3 significant figures. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any confusions, you can comment it below. Thank you.